Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question of how to fill this stand with the star and stripes. Okay, so now go to Canva. I will choose just four simple Instagram post portrait size. You can change to your own size and then upload the stand image. For example, I will choose this element. Okay, and then I will turn it to a custom frame. So add a square, increase the size to cover all the stand, and then send it to back, and then select the stand. If this image is a bitmap like this, just go to edit, go to dual tone, choose custom. I will change the highlight to totally white. You can see the hex code here, and also the shadow to totally white. It means that the color of the stand has to be the same color as the background. Okay, now download it as PNG. Alright, now remove all these elements from this page and then upload the PNG here. For the first, I will change the background to other color and then select the image, choose BG remover. Alright, now it becomes a frame, and then add the star and stripes image. For example, this one. Increase the size and then go to position, layers, and send this star and stripe behind the frame. Okay, now let's change the color of. Now let's crop this frame a little and select the background, this one, change it to white, and then select the frame, go to edit, go to dual tone, choose custom, and change the highlight to white and also the shadow to white. And then download it as PNG. Remove all this element and then upload the PNG here. Now choose BG remover to remove all the white color. So now you can put it on other background. Alright, so I hope it helps you. If you like this tutorial, please share the link to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.